In the spring of 2011, the Church of St. Sophia, Saints Faith, Hope, and Agape undertook the action to build a new Byzantine church at its present location in Jeffersonville, Pennsylvania. After a very successful 30th anniversary celebration at our cultural center, and also the unveiling of the crosses that will adorn the two domes of our new church. The first portion of the dome was constructed on the ground and then very gradually and carefully lifted to be placed at the top of the newly constructed church. Present were Father Peter Thornburg, Dr. Peter Patukas, Socrates Tsipras, and Angelo Bellows. The following scenes will show the partially constructed dome being lifted carefully and slowly from the parking lot where it was constructed to closer to the church itself. Then the crane was moved closer to the church as well, and the partially constructed dome was lifted to the top of the new church, where the workers will secure it to the steel structure at the top of the church itself. Now, since the dome is closer to the church itself, it is carefully being lifted to be placed on top of the church. There was a thunderstorm coming through, and there was some urgency to get this done as quickly as possible. But as you will see in a little while, St. Sophia was looking down at us and helped us to finish the actual placement of the dome just before the storm itself came through. You can imagine the excitement that we felt, all of us that were there, as this was lifted to the top of the church. It is indeed a sight to behold, something that is only seen in once in a lifetime, at least for us, the parishioners of St. Sophia, St. Faith, Hope, and Agape here at Jeffersonville. We are very proud that we are able to finish our church in time for Pascha 2012. We welcome all of you to come and visit and see the construction going on, and to be proud just as we are in this accomplishment by just a few of parishioners. We have no more than about 200 families in this parish. These are some other views from different angles that show exactly how the dome was placed. The workers then secured it to the steel frame by welding it in place. as you see, the clouds are coming and getting darker, and the workmen are concerned that they can get the thing done in time. But as I mentioned previously, St. Sophia was looking down on us and helped us to finish the job before the storm came on. As you will see in a little while, the rain did come and the thunder did come as well. We continue to need to raise more money to finish this project. So if any of you are so inclined, you certainly can donate to this cause by going to stsophiavf.org and clicking on donate. Just a last minute final and fine adjustments are being made in the place where the dome is to sit, and the dome is in place and it will be welded prior to the storm coming. The signal is given that everything is just in the right position, and they will start the welding. As you can see, the clouds are getting a little more ominous, and the storm we know is coming. However, these workers are quite adept at this and have no problem finishing the job before it starts to rain. And now, here comes the rain as soon as they are finished and have gotten down on the ground and got into their trucks. After the rain, we were able to go inside and look up at the dome positioning, and the next morning we went up to the top with the scaffolding in place and watched the workers putting the final touches onto the dome, and also watched the other workers putting the roof shingles on. And here you see Dr. Patukas rejoicing in seeing that the dome is partially finished now. Thank you for watching.